Our new stadium in Minnesota is as bold as they come, and it's more than ready to take center stage on the world's largest platform. This stadium is born of the elements, a product of the robust climate and rich history of this land. It's bigger and bolder than its predecessor, making it not only a landmark, but the most epically iconic structure in our great state. Premier in every way, this sports venue will wow all who enter. Featuring one of the most beautiful, sunlit, and monumental interior spaces in the world, and some of the closest to the action seats the NFL has to offer. Not to mention a stunning view to the sky, thanks to a transparent roof and 5 of the largest pivoting glass doors in the world. But that's not all. With 8,000 club seats, 6 private clubs, and 6 unique suite styles, including field-level turf suites and touchdown suites just 25 feet from the field, there's no shortage of top-tier amenities for an unmatched NFL experience. This game-changing stadium was built for the bold, by the bold, and ready to be showcased at the boldest event in the world, the 2018 Super Bowl.